The HydroFlame Pro Series Firestop sleeves from HoldRite will make your sleeving and fire stopping quick, accurate, and UL compliant. The HydroFlame Pro Series Firestop sleeves with adjustable caps are available to accommodate penetrance from 1/2 inch to 6 inches in size, including piping, conduit, cables, and more. The black base and whisker option is available for metal pipe penetrations, and a red base and whisker option is for either metal or plastic piping systems. The HydroFlame Pro adjustable cap sleeves allow for the height to be adjusted from 7 1/4 inch to 8 inches tall in 1/4 inch increments. The barrel can even be cut as short as 3 1/2 inches for thinner slabs. To install, choose the proper HydroFlame Pro sleeve by matching the appropriate pipe type and diameter needed, and adjust the cap to the desired height from 7 1/4 inch to 8 inches. If needed, remove the cap and cut the sleeve to a shorter height and reinstall the cap. Then attach it to the form decking with 4 nails or screws. Once secured, remove the locator whisker from the side of the base and push them down firmly until locked in place onto the safety cap. The whiskers allow you to easily locate your sleeve after the slab has been poured. The adjustable cap from HoldRite meets OSHA hole cover requirements. When it's time to make your slab penetration, break out the top of the cap with a hammer to gain access to the floor opening and the UL W-rated seal. Make sure the compartment is free of any debris and insert your pipe up from below the slab to ensure ideal contact is made with the smoke and water seal. The HydroFlame Pro Series Firestop sleeves with adjustable cap provides fire, smoke, gas, and water protection without the need for fire caulking, and saves contractors from time and labor-consuming core drilling. HoldRite, developing better methods for improving job site efficiency and safety since 1982.